Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The Best Communion banner is probably one of the most significant and beautiful ways to commemorate a child's first Holy Communion, offering a tangible symbol of their faith and this sacred milestone that can be cherished for years to come, making it an essential addition to any celebration. Number 5. CHRORINE God Bless First Communion Banner Kit. Celebrate your child's special day with this charming God Bless banner. It features rustic burlap with elegant white lettering and a cross, perfect for any religious ceremony. Each flag measures 5.5 by 7 inches, with approximately 9 feet of twine. This provides ample length to easily hang it wherever you choose. Forget the hassle of DIY. This banner comes pre-strung and ready to hang. Simply place it on the wall or your center table for instant decoration. Crafted from durable burlap, this banner is well made and designed to last. You can reuse it for future celebrations, making it a sustainable choice. Its versatile rustic design makes it ideal for baptisms, first communions, and confirmations for both boys and girls. It's also a lovely addition to home decor. What we like? This banner offers a charming rustic aesthetic with its natural burlap material. It comes pre-strung, saving you valuable time. If you're looking for a classic and reusable decoration for a boy's or girl's baptism or first communion, this is a great choice. What people say. The banner is a beautiful and meaningful addition to our communion services. The fabric is high quality and the colors are vibrant, making the design stand out. It's easy to hang and display, and it adds a special touch to the altar area. Number 4. CHRORINE God Bless Baptism Banner. Celebrate a special occasion with our God Bless banner. It features the words God Bless and a blue cross, printed beautifully on burlap. This banner comes pre-strung, saving you time and effort. Simply hang it up on the wall or your party center table. Each flag measures 5.5 by 7 inches, with approximately 110 inches of twine. There's plenty of extra twine on each end for easy hanging. Crafted from good quality, durable burlap, this decoration is well made. It's designed to be reused for future celebrations. This decoration is perfect for boys' baptism parties, confirmations, and first communion events. It adds a lovely touch to the celebration. What we like? Featuring a lovely blue cross, this banner adds a specific touch for a boy's celebration. It's ready to hang right out of the package. If you need a durable and easy-to-use decoration specifically for a boy's baptism or first communion, this one is perfect. What people say. The banner is a good size and the colors are vibrant. It was easy to assemble and hang up. The fabric is durable and seems like it will last for many years. Number 3. Uniwish God Bless Burlap Baptism Banner. Celebrate her special day with this charming burlap banner. Its rustic design adds a touch of warmth and beauty to any religious gathering. Crafted from 100% natural burlap, this banner features letters printed with non-toxic, environmentally friendly materials. It's a beautiful and safe choice for your celebration. This banner comes pre-strung and ready to hang. You can easily adjust the spacing between each flag to perfectly fit your desired decoration space. It's perfect for a baby shower, baptism, christening, or first communion. It's also a great addition to patriotic holidays and events. Hang it on the wall, above a dessert table, or even in tree branches. It also makes a wonderful backdrop for memorable photos. Each flag measures 5 by 7 inches, with an 8.2-foot rope, ensuring a noticeable and beautiful display for your event. What we like? This option provides a beautiful pink accent, ideal for a girl's special day. You can easily adjust the spacing between the flags for a custom look. If you're decorating for a girl's baptism or first communion and want a natural, customizable banner, this is a fantastic pick. What people say. The banner is made of high-quality satin fabric, which gives it a luxurious feel and appearance. The colors are vibrant and the embroidery is detailed, making the banner a beautiful centerpiece for any communion service. It comes with a sturdy wooden dowel and a hanging cord, making it easy to display right out of the box. Number 2. Westmon Works First Communion Banner Kit. Mark a child's first communion with this beautiful banner kit. It's a wonderful way to create a lasting keepsake for this significant occasion. This kit provides everything you need for a fun and engaging crafting experience. All the pieces are pre-cut and ready to assemble. Designed in a lovely blue, it's perfect for any child celebrating their first communion. Create a personalized banner that's uniquely theirs. Inside, you'll find instructions, a wood dowel, beads, pom-poms, felt shapes, rickrack trim, cord, and a glitter glue pen to bring your banner to life. This banner will be a cherished memento for years to come. It's a meaningful craft that celebrates faith and family. Suitable for children aged 3 and above, it's a great activity for families to do together. Please note that craft glue is not included. What we like. This is a unique craft kit that allows for personalization and creativity. It comes with many of the necessary supplies to build your own banner. If you're looking for an engaging activity for children or a meaningful keepsake to create together for a boy or girl's first communion, this craft pack is ideal. What people say. The banner was a good size and the colors were vibrant. It was easy to assemble and hang up. The fabric was durable and held up well throughout the service. Number 1. First Holy Communion banner for kids. Celebrate your child's first Holy Communion with this beautiful banner. It's designed to add a special touch to their religious celebration. Crafted from high-quality glitter cardstock, this banner shimmers without any messy fallout. It's designed to look stunning throughout the event. Don't worry about complicated setup. All the necessary string and a threading needle are included for a quick and simple assembly process. This banner is the perfect addition to your child's first Holy Communion decorations. It creates a festive and meaningful atmosphere. It's more than just decor, it's a lovely keepsake to remember this significant milestone. A beautiful reminder of their special day. What we like. This banner is made from eye-catching glitter cardstock that won't shed. While it does require some assembly, the included needle and string make it straightforward. If you want a sparkly and mess-free decoration for a child's first Holy Communion, this is a wonderful option. What people say. The banner is made of durable fabric that holds its shape well. The colors are vibrant and the design is intricate, making it a beautiful centerpiece. It comes with pre-drilled holes for easy hanging. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.